Okay, so I'm gonna put a YouTube video on this ignition lock for a 1981 Corvette. This has the tilt steering wheel, the telescopic. Anyways, I've got my parts in the order that I've taken them off. Always good practice. That way, when I go to put it back on, I can go back from there. But here we go. This is my lock that was in there. Really didn't have an issue, even though it looks like crap with this lock. The thing is, my keys weren't matching because this lock obviously had broke at one time, and they put this one in there, which actually threw me for a curve because this one is the older style, I believe 1978 and under, where it has this little tab which you got to push in to pull it out. So my new lock, I got it for an actual 81. And it does not have that tab, and I've been trying to figure out why don't I have that tab, because this one actually, I'll show you. This tab, when you put this in here, this old lock, this little tab right here will come in line with this hole with this groove right here. So, you would think that that's actually supposed to be the key that you have, because this tab right there literally lines up. Now, you can use another one that's older. Obviously, they did. But this one that I got, unfortunately, does not have that tab. So, I'm stuck there, and I've already got all new locks and stuff. So, all my keys match now. And it would not benefit me to take everything apart to redo that. So what I found out actually is if you take out this little plastic piece right here. So if you take this out, you can access this part right here. And now with that out, there's a bolt. If you can see my finger, there's a bolt right here, a screw that is actually supposed to be in there, which you can actually tell now that the piece is out, because before you couldn't see, I couldn't see it, and I'll show you what it looked like before I took this piece out. Just so you guys get an idea of what threw me for a loop, in case somebody ever puts the wrong one in. You really can't see a screw or anything back there. And seeing that, I wasn't expecting there to be a screw. That's why I've been looking it up and trying to figure it out. And I figured I'd just pull that out. It pulls literally right out. And then now I know that I got to get a screw. The original owner or person took that out. But now if that groove in that key slot, it lines up, I'll go find that screw, put it in, and then I just got to do reverse. I'm putting it back on. There's lots of YouTube videos on how to take this thing apart. Nothing actually gets you down to here. They explain that you got to push on a tab, but nothing for the 81 style. I believe it's probably actually going to be like a 79, maybe 78 and older with the telescopic, newer. And I don't know when they did the change, but I believe it was like 79 and newer is when you're going to have that little screw that actually holds it in and not the clip. You can see like right here is where that clip is that I had to push out of the old one, and it pushed out. But now that I got it all figured out, I know what I got to put in there. We should be good. The problem with it is without that screw in there and that clip, I can pull it out, which I don't want to be able to do that. I want it to be working right, so I'm gonna go find a screw. Hopefully I got one laying around and I don't gotta buy anything fancy, but chances are I'll probably have to buy one. Hope this helps anybody that it has the same issue I did. Thanks for watching.